I can show you guys nonetheless how to work the tool. So this tool right here to remove the molding. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a while, but I want to start off this video by giving every one of you guys that have subscribed to my channel a big fat thank you. We've surpassed the 500 mark, and I'm excited about that, and I'm hoping that we can, keep on getting some new subscribers and get that number up maybe to the thousands. For all the new subscribers that are on this channel, well, most of my videos are from 2012. So the first 140 videos featured on this channel is from 2012, when I was actually rebuilding my Nova, which is called, the project is Reborn, the Reborn project. And so I made a lot of videos, and back then there was copyright issues, so I had to remake the videos, and that's why this channel was born. And so then after, I showed those videos, I went on to show the new videos, the LS Rebirth project. So I'm hoping that, we can get some more people subscribed to this channel. And the whole reason for this channel is to help others to actually take on a restoration project like I did. A lot of my videos are focused around that principle, and I want to continue to do that. So when I was making all of those videos back in 2012, there was one video that I made that I did not post on this new channel, which I'm going to do in a few minutes. And that's basically a video on the windshield clips. Now, the video basically touches on how to remove the clips by pushing them in a direction so that the clip can pop out. And I did state that, if you had a tool, you can use a tool. Well, this video is going to continue with that. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you that video so that you can get, familiarized with that video, because it wasn't on the channel, and now I just want to, put it back on the channel. And then when we come back, we're going to talk about the actual tool. See you in a few minutes.
This is for reference. The clips, to take them out on the windshield on this side, driver's side, gotta push down, down, down. And over here, you gotta push right, 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 right. Over here is right, and then on the passenger side, you gotta push up, up, and up. So that's the passenger side. If you use a tool, you could pretty much grab it from either end on any of the clips. Now the back windshield, starting with the driver's side. So it's up, 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 and then right, 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 basically towards the passenger side. Right, and then when you get to the passenger side, it's down, down, down. Same thing applies if you use a clip tool. You pretty much have to grab any one of these two ends.
Okay, so you saw the video, and this is the tool. The part number and a link to where you can purchase it Link will be down in the description box below. But this tool is a lifesaver, and I would advise that if you're going to attempt taking off the windshield moldings, which I'm referring to these right here, okay? There's some in the front, and then there's some in the back. Now you saw from the last video the location of those clips. And this is why I wanted to pair up that video with this video. So now you know more or less where those clips are located under that trim. Well, in this video, we're going to show you the tool. And since now you know more or less where the clips are, you'll know where to place the tool. And I'm going to try to demonstrate removing. I'm not going to remove the molding on the car, because you first need to remove this one. And if you wanted to remove that one, you're going to have to remove that screw right there, and then you can remove the lower windshield molding. And you can see that it goes under the molding for the drip rail. So it's kind of tedious to take this off, and that's the reason why I'm not going to go ahead and take it off. But I can still show you guys nonetheless how to work the tool. So this tool right here to remove the molding. Now I'm going to remove the molding enough to raise it up, and then I'm going to see if I can show you guys how the tool is actually working to grab onto the clip through the little space I'll have once I remove that molding. So let's go ahead and tackle that. I'm going to set you guys up on the tripod here. Hopefully you can see what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so the camera's set up, and we're going to use the tool right here. And so basically what I want to do is I want to take these hooks, okay, and kind of slide them. So I basically open the tool up and I slide it in, okay, and then slide the tool until I feel it stop. Then I kind of tilt it so that both of the hooks are resting against, under this molding, but resting against the A-pillar. And then I make sure to push down on the arms of this, on the legs of this tool, so that I can go just a little bit higher. And as I'm doing that, I'm closing it. And you'll feel that it grips on. So then you just basically compress the two legs, and it will pull the tool away from the molding. Let's see if I can get this on there live so you can kind of see it. So yeah, so I got that one, and then I'm gonna do it again. So we got that. Hopefully you saw how it just kind of lifted. Okay, so we got it loose. So now we're gonna go up on the top here. The same procedure. I'm just gonna slide it until I kind of feel where the next clip is, and then kind of, pull on it. There's one right here. So, as you can see, that takes a little fiddling, but it definitely does the job. So much easier than trying to fiddle around with it. So there, it popped over. Let's get another one for you guys. Let's see if I can do this right here. Should be one. There. So the molding is pretty much loose. So let's see if I can get you guys a closer look. So you can see the molding is pretty much loose. Okay, so I got it off. Now let's see if I can attempt to show you what the tool is actually doing. So here's the tool, and basically what I'm doing is I'm sliding it, okay, Hope you can see that. I'm sliding it until it gets to the clip. You can see right there. And then I make the other side after it's kind of hard to do with, you know, one hand, but I make sure that the tool grabs on both sides of the clip. So you can see there. And then when you squeeze, you're basically just pulling the clip outward so you can release, because you can see that little nub there. There's a little nub there, and that little nub, we can focus. Okay, that little nub is what's holding the clip. Okay, I mean that clip's nub is holding against the molding. You see there's a little wall on the molding? Well, that little nub is holding onto the wall of the molding against, you know, the A-pillar on here, against the roof on this one, and in the back here it's holding it against the roof, and of course against the sail panel. So that's pretty much how it works. So I know it's kind of hard to see, so I need more lights, but hopefully you get the idea. You can see how this tool literally grabs onto the outsides of the clip. And so once it's grabbing on the outside of the clip and you give it a little squeeze on the handles, you can see how there's an angle on each side. Well, when you give it a little squeeze, it's going to pull the clip out just enough to release the molding. And that's pretty much the gist of this tool. Okay, so there you have it. The windshield molding removal tool makes that job, which is a pain in the butt, so much easier. I mean, it works very well, and if you're gonna take apart these old cars, add this tool to your arsenal of tools to make that job easier. Now in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be talking about other tools that I use to you know, take apart the car. And I want to do this because when I was building the car, the Reborn project back in 2012, you know, I went through the motions of actually building it, and I never actually showed, you know, some of these specialized tools that I use to take apart the car and make my life easy. And I want to pass that on to you guys now that I'm, you know, going about, you know, showing what I did to the car, and, you know, continuing to help others that are trying to do the same thing for their personal projects. And that's what this whole, you know, the whole idea behind the channel, that's the whole reason why I created these videos, was to help all of you guys out there that want to tackle a job just like this on your own. You don't have to send your car out to some, you know, overpriced body shop or specialist. You can do it yourself. You just need to just, you know, go ahead and just try. And that's what I did. And you saw, you know, if you've watched my videos, you saw the results I've gotten, and you too can have those same results. So anyway, I'm rambling on, but I just want to, you know, kind of get that information out there. I want to, you know, give you guys the thanks. I want to, you know, just continue to do what I've been doing from way back in 2011. Even though I finished my car and, you know, I'm not actually restoring a car, I want to help those that are restoring their own projects. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another tool.